Hi guys, I am going to be making some Snackle boxes today. So I have these little, they're actually from the hardware store, these little plastic boxes that have dividers. I made some labels for my kids so that they each have one, and then I always make a couple extra. But I make these little Snackle boxes for road trips, airplane trips, sporting events. We have soccer Saturdays, which are about to start back up soon. So these are just so perfect. We are gonna do one last little outing before my boys go back to school. So I'm gonna make up these little snack boxes. But here's what the inside looks, little compartments, so you can add all your favorite snacks, whatever you want. And what I really like is you kind of take everything out of the package. Like if you have Skittles, you can put them in here and then you don't have wrappers to deal with, or granola bars, or anything that has a bunch of wrappers. You could take everything out, get rid of the wrappers at home, and then all you have is this snack box and no other mess. So these are so convenient. If you have kids, these are a lifesaver. If you don't have kids, I definitely still recommend these. I love having snacks on hand, and you can do your favorite variety. So let me show you these Snackle boxes I'm going to make. So I have my containers. I'm going to start filling them up with all of our favorite snacks. So I'm going to add in some blueberries, and I am going to refrigerate these until we use them. So you can use snacks that don't need to be refrigerated if you want, just lots of like dry snacks. I'm going to add in some carrots because we love snacking on carrots, and it's definitely kind of one of our awesome little snack treats. I'm going to add in, we also love pretzels. So my kids love pretzel sticks, and they like the twist kind of pretzels also. So I'm going to be adding those in as well. So just a huge variety of all of our favorites. You can make this into like a savory snack box or a sweet snack box. It is totally customizable. I just love the little compartments, are just a perfect size for all kinds of fun snacks. So I have some peanut butter crackers, and I have some dried apricots. So I love to unwrap all the snacks and put them in the container just so I have less garbage to get rid of and just very few like wrappers. So I do have my granola bar wrapper, but I have these other wrappers like these fruit snacks. So I'm going to take these out of the wrapper so I don't have to worry about the fruit snack garbage, and so that just makes things a little bit easier. So any kind of your favorite snacks, like I said, you can make this sweet, you can make it savory, you can make it as healthy as you want. I'm adding in some little Teddy Grahams. So we definitely do some little treats, especially when we're going on a little road trip or a plane trip, or if we're going out for something fun. So I like to add in a few little sweets here and there. But like I said, you can definitely keep this as healthy as you want, totally customizable. Adding in some peanuts. I love adding trail mix into these is also a really good option. So all of our favorite snacks all in one little container. I hope that you enjoyed this little snack box, little hack. We call these Snackle boxes. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for lots of easy recipes, and I'll see you in the next video.